Hey everybody, Don Darragh, Energy Swing Windows Client Consultant. One of the things, huge thing we do at Energy Swing is communication. That's part of our 5-star red carpet experience that we deliver. And I'm on my way to an appointment now, and one of the things we do, like I said, is communication. Is I call our customers just to let them know I'm on the way. I'm on my way, like if I'm going to be a minute early, a minute late, whatever. Just another touch of communication, just so people know we're thinking about them. So I'm going to give Mr. Denisi a call here, my hands-free system, and just show you what we do. You can probably expect a call like this from me if you're going to have us come out and see you.
Hello?
Hey, Mr. Denisi.
Yes.
This is Donnie Darragh, Energy Swing Windows. How you doing today?
Good. How you doing, Donnie?
Good, good, good. Hey, I'm just calling to let you know I'm on my way to your house, but I am running about 2 minutes ahead of schedule, and I just wanted to give you a call and let you know. Looking forward to meeting you.
That's no problem at all. I'm ready for you, so I appreciate the heads up. Okay,
well, sounds good. Well, I thank you very much, and look forward to to working with you. Take care. See you in a bit.
All right, thanks, Donnie.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye. That's just another step, like I said, in the red carpet experience. People just like to be in the know. Looking forward to meeting you.